You know that feeling when you call customer service and you're already dreading the experience? The endless menus, the hold music that's a crime against humanity, and the vague sense that you're just a number? Yeah, we've all been there. It's a universal pain point, and it's especially frustrating when it comes to your money. Your bank's customer service should be a lifesaver, not another source of stress. So, when I started seeing a lot of chatter about Relay Bank's customer service, I was skeptical. I mean, a bank with good customer service? It sounded like a myth. But the reviews were consistent. People were saying that Relay was different. They were calling it personal, efficient, and genuinely helpful. So I had to put it to the test. First off, let's talk about the dreaded automated system. Relay's is surprisingly simple. It's not a maze of options. You get straight to the point, and the wait times are surprisingly short. I tried calling at different times of day, and I never felt like I was being punished for wanting to speak to a person. But the real magic happens when you connect with a representative. What struck me immediately was the human element. You're not talking to a robot reading from a script. The reps I spoke to were knowledgeable and, more importantly, they listened. I had a question about a specific transaction, and the agent didn't just give me a canned answer. They took the time to understand my situation and provided a solution that actually made sense for me. And here's the thing that really sold me: they're proactive. I had an issue with a forgotten password, and instead of just resetting it, the representative walked me through the security process with such clarity and patience that I felt completely secure. It wasn't just about solving the immediate problem, it was about ensuring I wouldn't have the same issue again. The follow-up was also impressive. I received an email summary of our conversation, and a few days later, a brief survey to see if my issue had been fully resolved. It felt like they genuinely cared about my experience, and that's a rare feeling when dealing with a financial institution. So, is Relay Bank's customer service perfect? Nothing is. But it's miles ahead of the competition. They've managed to make a typically painful process feel almost pleasant. They focused on the human connection, on efficiency, and on genuinely helping their customers. It's a refreshing change of pace in an industry that desperately needs it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.